This is an introduction to a new approach to healthcare called Evectics. The purpose of Evectics is to handle the current epidemic of chronic health problems. Do you know someone who has a health problem they've never recovered from? They may be taking a drug for blood pressure, pain, depression, a heart condition, but the problem persists and the treatment just manages the condition but never resolves it. This is a chronic health problem, one that continues on indefinitely and doesn't resolve or heal even with current medical treatments. Chronic health problems are 99% of all health problems. This is heart disease, arthritis, digestive disorders, infertility, migraines, and on and on. You could define a chronic health condition as a health problem that medical doctors don't know how to fix, which would be why the problem just continues on. Most chronic problems are caused by an interruption in the body's healing processes, so only the body itself can actually heal these areas. For 15 years, I've helped people dealing with severe chronic health problems like zombie parents who've gone without sleep for months because of a baby with severe allergies, rashes, and constant ear infections, or mothers struggling to handle their children, husband, and a job despite debilitating brain fog, fatigue, pain, and constant weight gain. And these aren't occasional or exceptional situations. I've worked with almost 6,000 of these severe cases. These are the chronic cases that make up 99% of all health problems, and they're the rule, not the exception. In the past, chronic problems were often resolved using natural treatments. I've talked to chiropractors who practiced in the 1950s, and they can recall near miracles of recovery just from a single chiropractic adjustment. Homeopaths back in the 1800s had tremendous success even with smallpox. But overall, the public health seems to be declining, and most natural techniques don't work with the same effectiveness as they used to. There are many factors in this decline of health and the increase in the severity and number of chronic health problems, but probably the biggest ones are processed foods, synthetic vitamins in foods, a tremendous increase in refined sugars, stress, and environmental toxins, and the cumulative effect of these stressors with each successive generation. Almost everyone I ask agrees that children and babies have allergies, immune problems, asthma, and learning and behavioral problems far worse than their own generation. Currently, natural techniques are not being effective in solving the problem of chronic conditions. I say this because more than 80% of patients will still go to medical doctors for treatment even though they don't recover, and most actually don't expect to recover. Normal drugs and surgical treatments don't work when the cause of a problem is interruption in the body's ability to heal itself. In other words, only the body can heal a chronic condition, not a doctor. There's a solution, and it's called Evectics. We've named our treatment systems with a word used in the 1800s that meant the branch of medical science which teaches the method of acquiring good habit of body, or the theory of the achievement and maintenance of good health. The word went out of use in the early 1900s, something that in itself raises questions. Evectics is not a treatment technique, it's a system that integrates many techniques. An Evectics clinic brings multiple vectors of care together in exactly the correct combination for each patient, providing enough support so their body's able to get over the barriers and recover its healing process. No single technique used in Evectics is superior to any existing natural technique, but the combined and customized use of multiple treatments has shown effectiveness in resolving difficult cases. There's a lot to Evectics. It includes educational systems, administrative systems, training, and lots more. This is crucial because to handle the large number of patients that need it requires a lot more than just the fact that it works. It will require standardization and scalability far beyond any previous natural technique. My purpose is to make Evectics treatment an option for anyone with a chronic health condition. I just refuse to agree that chronically ill people have to have a poor quality of life, not achieve their purposes and goals, and spend a lot of their lives in pain and despair. I don't buy it. I've seen thousands recover with Evectics when nothing else has ever worked. We now know how to help these people recover their own health. And now we need help. If you're a patient who's recovered or is in the process of recovering your health with this system, please become an ambassador and spread the word to others who need help. If you're a practitioner with a real purpose to do the hard work of helping chronically ill patients, contact me about Evectics training, positions available in clinics, and opening new clinics. We need chiropractors or medical doctors. If you're just interested or want to help, contact us. You're going to be hearing a lot about Evectics. Look for more information being released soon.